Hi everyone. I chose to do a digital lesson over the power of words for third grade. um, so here is just an overview of what the lesson plans would look like. It's basically over what should you do when someone uses mean or hurtful language on the internet. So it gives you here the objectives of what this lesson is going to teach, and then some vocabulary words. This does meet in with the ISTE standards. So here it tells you which ones that they would fall under. So those are right there. And then there's other standards, obviously, here that it would meet. We use Common Core ELA in my district that I teach. So it was kind of cool to see those there. Then here's the lesson plan. It's about a 45-minute lesson. So you would start up with the warm up, same word, different meaning, and it goes through, talks about what you need to do, what slide you're going to be presenting. Then you watch, it has a nice little video for the kids that I think that will help them engage in the lesson and understand what actually words can do on the internet. So that you would watch the video there then investigate what's the problem. It comes with a handout, so you would hand that out at this time, read the directions, and then give them 5 minutes to complete the activity. And then you can ask for volunteers to share. And then wrap up crossing the line. And it gives you some different little like activities you could do with them. They're optional. You wouldn't have to do them if you didn't have a full 45-minute block. I know sometimes trying to find time in a school day to fit some of these extra things in. So like you may only have like 30 minutes. So this like activity here, you probably don't have to do if you don't want to. It does give you some additional resources to extend the lesson if you had a lot of free time to do that. I don't have a slide of my extra resources because I kind of did my extra resources kind of on my own. I kind of Googled and brainstormed some different activities and ideas, and then I kind of would use my own. So the one I saw was a Nearpod that they used for this, but I wasn't able to like log on because you have to have like a plus or something like that. But I could easily create my own Nearpod after we just learned about that in this module as well. But in the Nearpod, from like the examples that it kind of showed me from the start that I looked at, is basically it gave like an example and then it had a smiley face and like a sad face, and the kids would go through and pick, is it like, are those good things to write on the internet? Are these not good things to write on the internet? And then my other idea is I would give the kids a template, like a picture that kind of looks like an Instagram post. Kids would color the picture, create like their own, like what they would post if they were to post something on Instagram. And then they will switch with a partner, and then a classmate can write on the lines, like in the caption part, something that you would be able to post on the internet that are kind words, to say things that you would write instead of the negative things out there. So those are two additional resources that I would use with this lesson. So thank you, and I hope that you found some good ideas out of this video. Thank you.